Hello everyone. Today we'll look at a visual comparison between linear regression and polynomial regression. So here we have one data set of students' course. Let's see the first few rows of this data set. So we have two columns here. Column one is hours and second one is course. So hours here is independent one and scores are dependent. So let's store it in variable like this. In X there will be hours and in Y there will be scores. Now let's train our model first, which is of linear regression. First import from here from sklearn dot linear model import linear regression. Linear regression, let's store it in variable called model. Now let's train our model. Model dot fit, then we'll first put independent variable and independent one. So now our model is trained. Now we have to plot the graph. So for that we'll need matplotlib, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt.plot, or let's put scatter first so that we'll get the idea of our data points, how it is scattered all over the graph. Okay, now let's put the plot, the straight line, x independent variable, and in the y we have to put the predicted values. For that we can use predict x like this. So this is the best fit line according to the linear regression model. Let me give a color to it. Okay, now it's better. Okay, so this is the best fit line according to the linear regression model. But what about the polynomial regression? Let's check that also. For that we'll need a polynomial feature, which is also from sklearn dot pre-processing import polynomial features, and we'll have our degree as 2 here. Okay, now we have to train our independent variables, our data, and also transform it. So for that let's first store it in one variable. We have a function called fit transform. Here we have to pass our x values, x poly trans. So here we have transformed as well as fitted our x variables, which is nothing but the independent variables. Now we have to train our model according to this data. Model.fit x poly trans, which is nothing but this one, fit transform, and second one will be our y output. Okay, now our model is also trained. Now similarly, like we have done for the linear regression, let's plot a graph for polynomial regression. PLT, similarly let's put scatter first, which is the original data, and then we'll put the transformed one. PLT.plot, similarly x will be here, and then we'll have to put the predicted values of those x. Model.predict, let's give a color same as red. access one feature, but linear regression is expecting 3 features as input. Okay, model dot predict. Okay, let me poly dot transform and put x here. Okay. Oh, this is not what I was expecting. Maybe this is because of our x is not sorted. So let's sort it using numpy. Do we have numpy? No, we don't. So import numpy as np. Let's sort these x's here. np dot sort and sort it row wise. For that we have to put x is equal to 0, and similarly here also np dot sort x axis is 0, so it will sort row wise, not column wise. If we put our graph, see, now it is looking very beautiful. And this is the difference between polynomial regression and the linear one. It seems like the polynomial one will give or predict our values more precisely than the linear one.